Today, we have submitted a grievance memorandum to Principal of Tura Government College, highlighting key academic, administrative, infrastructure, and student welfare concern affecting the students. If students continue to encounter persistent barriers in their accessing academic assistance or experience uncooperative conduct, we will be compelled to pursue the matter through appropriate institutional and administrative mechanism. Our objective is not confrontation, but constructive intervention, institutional improvement, and student welfare. We want to see the Tura Government College strengthened through adequate faculty, improved infrastructure, accessible academic support,